I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza pockets. First, gather your ingredients including pre-made pizza dough, your favorite pizza sauce, and shredded mozzarella cheese. You'll also need any toppings you desire. Next, roll out your pizza dough on a lightly floured surface until it's about 1/8 inch thick. Then, cut the dough into 4-inch by 4-inch squares, preparing them for filling. Now it's time to fill your pizza pockets. Place about 1 tablespoon of your preferred pizza sauce onto 1/2 of each dough square, leaving a small border. Then, add approximately 2 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese and any other toppings you love, like pepperoni or cooked vegetables. Carefully fold the other half of the dough over the filling, creating a pocket, and firmly seal the edges using a fork. To achieve that perfect golden crust, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, place your sealed pizza pockets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For an extra golden finish, lightly brush the tops of each pocket with an egg wash. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once baked, remove your delicious pizza pockets from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. They will be very hot, so patience is key. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of extra marinara sauce for dipping, and enjoy your homemade treat. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.